yes, you could do it, because do you know what those clumps are? When you put olive oil, if you by chance decide, you think you should keep your olive oil in the refrigerator, we'll talk about that. Do you know what those clumps are with the oil? I think this is so interesting. It's frozen olive oil, because olive oil freezes at a higher temperature than water. So you know how ice cubes are going to freeze at 32 degrees. Your refrigerator is about 40 degrees, or should be. Well, 41 degrees approximately is the temperature that olive oil freezes at. So those little clumps is just olive oil crystals. So there's nothing harmful about it. So if, in fact, you feel you really don't use your olive oil very often, but I'm sure nobody here would say that. I'm sure everybody's going to go through a bottle a month, at least. You could keep your olive oil in the refrigerator. Or if you decided to infuse your oil with an herb or maybe a fruit rind, you then definitely should be keeping it in the refrigerator, and it will get stiff. Then just take it out and let it warm up at room temperature. Doing it repeatedly on a daily basis eventually is probably going to break down the oil. Ideally, olive oil should be kept at room temperature in a dark, cool place, and then just go by the amount that you would use within a month or so. That would be ideal. So olive oil is perishable, and old olive oil is really unpleasant. So you don't want to let that happen. You want to make sure that you have oil that is fresh, and the best way to know that, now that you've done the tasting, is that's how your olive oil should taste. And if it's really an intense, unpleasant flavor or odor, throw it out. There's nothing you can do to save it.